So this weekend is the 42nd anniversary of the motorbike festival. Every summer in the seaside city of Faro, a motorbike rally is held in parkland between the airport and the beach. But it's no ordinary rally. Since 1982, thousands of motorbiking fanatics and enthusiasts have gathered for this July weekend celebration. And this celebration embraces passion, freedom, and the open road. Live music performances featuring a mix of rock and blues. But the rally moves beyond its parkland campsite and into the city of Faro. Most hotels, bars, restaurants and cafes join in the fun, installing signs of unity and recommendation. As well as being a huge boost to the local economy, this motorbike festival is the lifeblood of local charities and community functions, having raised millions of euros over the past 4 decades. The rally serves as a platform for riders to connect, swap stories, and celebrate their shared love of the open road. In 2024, over 30,000 bikers were expected at Europe's biggest motorbike spectacular. The next day we took ourselves up into the hilltop town of Loule to a popular festival. Whilst back in Faro, the motorbike festival continued. Unfortunately, we can't resist a homemade cake, and here we bought an alfaroba cake with a black cherry topping. It's like a cheesecake, yeah?
You like?
Yeah.
You like that?
I think I'm looking good. Now it's Sunday and it's the final day of the motorbike festival, where the cyclists process through the streets to the rejoicing crowds. So we're just walking through the city of Faro and around by the city walls, and we could hear a pounding beat, and it looks like there's a seafood festival in the main car park, so we'll go and investigate.
Shellfish with pork.
Our friend Alexander from Lisbon was visiting, so we dug into a tasty meal.